In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change case in Figma. Start by opening your design and navigating to the canvas where your text appears. Click the text you want to change so the text layer is selected. You'll know it's selected when the right-hand panel updates with text properties. If you don't see text options, double-check that you have the actual text layer active rather than a frame or group. With your text layer selected, look over to the right-hand panel and find the text section. Click the Type Settings icon to expand additional controls. Under the Basics area, you'll see a control labeled Case. This is where you choose how Figma displays the capitalization of your selected text. Click the Case menu and pick the style you want. Uppercase, lowercase, title case, small caps, or as typed, which is also called standard. Here's what each option means and when to use it. Uppercase converts all letters to capitals. This is great for bold headings, labels, or when you need strong visual hierarchy. Lowercase converts all letters to small letters. It's useful for a softer look, supporting text, or consistent sentence-style labels. Title case capitalizes the first letter of every word. Use it for headlines, navigation items, or any place where a formal title style improves readability. Small caps renders lowercase letters as smaller capital letters. This can add a refined editorial feel to subheads, callouts, or acronyms that you want to stand out without shouting. And as typed or standard, reverts the text to the exact casing you originally entered. A helpful detail to remember is that these settings are non-destructive. You are not permanently changing the characters you typed. You are controlling how they display. That means you can try out different options freely and return to as typed at any time if you want the original casing back. If the case menu isn't visible, make sure you've clicked the Type Settings icon in the text section and that your selection is a text layer. You can also select a specific range of characters within a text box to apply a case setting only to that portion, which is handy for emphasizing a single word or acronym without affecting the entire line. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.